Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy audiobooks on Audible using credits. And basically in this video I'm going to show you how to do it on your computer's internet browser, in this case Google Chrome, and then as I'm on a MacBook I'm going to show you how to use the Mac app as well. And if this video has been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. So let's get into it. So the first method, I'm on Google Chrome and I've signed into my Audible account, and basically up here I have 6 credits available in my account, and each of these credits can purchase one audiobook. As I am an Audible Premium Plus member, I pay $7.99 per month, and I receive 1 credit every single month added to my account. However, I think the maximum amount of credits that you can have on your account as a Premium Plus member is 6. So guys, I've logged into my Audible account on Google Chrome, and there are different ways to actually find audiobooks. If you know the exact title of the book that you're looking for, come up here to this search bar and you can type it in, and there's also suggested searches here as well. But you can also find different monthly deals. You can explore Audible categories like business down to romance, Audible exclusives in here, continue your series. If you're listening to books in a series, Audible will give you suggestions. So there's many different ways to actually find books. Also, you can come to browse and look through all the different categories, listens, collections, membership codes, featured authors. So I'm actually interested in one book by Cody Sanchez. I'm going to type in Cody, Main Street Millionaire. I'm going to search that one. And I want to purchase this book. So how you do it is, so you have to confirm that this is the correct book, Main Street Millionaire by Cody Sanchez. It's 6 hours and 17 minutes long. Over here on the right hand side is where you can actually purchase using one of your credits on your account. So you just press this orange button, buy with 1 credit, confirm purchase. And once everything loads, that's it. It says, thanks, you're all set. You have purchased the Main Street Millionaire audiobook on Audible. And then you can press the play button. It will launch a window, and then you can start listening to your audiobook from there. If you want to actually find your audiobook, come up to the library, and it'll be this first one right here in your selection on library. So guys, I've moved over to the Audible app for Mac devices, and basically let's just run through this as well. I'm going to maybe select this second option right here, Charles Duhigg. Select that book. And then from here we can see all the different options. You can actually preview the book and get a 5-minute sample to listen to. But if you just want to purchase the book straight away, you can purchase with 1 credit right there, or buy for $7.99. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.